günü olmalı. Bunu sen de hatırlarsın da artık öyle hissettim.
Get ready for a deep dive.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So come back with Talk Ban Ban by Taya. So my name is Taya, and again from the previous video, I have a very good comment. And Talk Ban Ban here is mean talk, or is of course speak, but Ban Ban is come from Thai words. Okay, and the meaning of Ban Ban is mean home. Ban is mean home, and Ban Ban. So what is you combine together is mean home style. Alright, shall we start for today? So what I'm going to do today is pancake. Okay, but this is Taya. I'm not gonna do the normal pancake, English French toast, or English style, American pancake style, or like waffle style. What I'm going to do today is Sri Lankan pancake style. So for the Sri Lankan pancake style, let me talk about it first. So I have a lot of Sri Lankan friends here, and for all the items that you can see in front here, all the ingredients is came from Sri Lankan friends, and thanks for their support. I have the brown here, I have the eggs here, I have the coconut, which is I already put a little bit of sugar here. So this is gonna be the pancake side. What else? And then I have the turmeric here as well. So I have eggs here, I have 2 eggs, and then I'm going to put all the queer ingredients together first. Okay? So for right now we have prepared everything finished. We have the coconut here, and we have the brown here for the pancake. So now I have the first roll here, and I have my Sri Lankan friend, one of my Sri Lankan friends here. So he's a chef, and he's going to taste it because he's a professional one, so he's gonna do the taste. How was it, chef?
Delicious, really.
Thank you so much, you guys. So for right now, we finished our Sri Lankan pancake section. This is the final one. Okay. So I leave you guys. So I hope you like this video, and again, don't forget to follow my channel on Facebook, and there will be coming more videos soon. I will try my best to improve all my videos, and if you have any comments, if you want to review something to me, just feel free